How you doing, everyone? And thank you for viewing our 2003 Chevy Avalanche Z71 luxury package. The vehicle has 230,000 miles on it. Very well maintained truck. 4x4 package. Leather seats, sunroof, AM/FM CD player, signal in the mirrors. Heated seats, Bose system. There's all your controls on your steering wheel, cruise control. There's the sunroof, it works great. There's a couple flaws, like you just saw. The liner on the sunroof is starting to fail, the glue on it. You have a tear here in the seat, a tear here in the seat. Still does not take away from the mechanically inclined engine and the vehicle's well conditioned exterior. Go ahead and we'll take the car for a test drive now, so you can see how it runs and drives. Runs and drives and shifts without any problems whatsoever. We'll go ahead and we'll throw it into four-wheel drive here so you can see how that shifts. So you got to put it in neutral. So it's in neutral. Go ahead and hit the auto four-wheel drive. Put it back into drive. Now we're riding in four-wheel drive. Real nice truck. Cold AC. Go ahead and turn that on. Vehicle, like I said, has 230,000 miles, but it has been very well maintained. Thank you for viewing our 2003 Chevy Avalanche Z71 luxury package four-wheel drive truck. If you're interested in the vehicle, we do ship throughout the entire United States. We also ship through international. Thanks for watching our YouTube video. We hope to hear from you soon. Take care and have a nice day.